Hello, my name is Yurii and I have been working at Intellias for more than 6 years. I'm so excited to share my experience with you about my journey so far. Mostly, I have been working as a C++ developer for very famous car brands and we developed the entertainment system for them. Now I'm part of Android mobile Kotlin team and we successfully provide a product. I'm a little bit nervous because this Friday we have a demo where we show our customers the new solution where we integrate the AI into our project. I'm developing my own pet project. CO2 meter is called Cotometer. It provides measurement of air quality as CO2 levels, organic compounds and dust particles. This is a metric for well-being. I'm really passionate about it because my work at Intellias helps me to constantly refine my project. Outside of the work, I like to explore a theater improvisation. We do a local performances where the scenes are scripted and all money calculated from the ticket we donate to Ukrainian Forces Army. There are a lot of fun activities in the office, not very obvious, the pull-ups. We like to challenge each other and do pull-ups competitions.